Today we are going to discuss about some of the multiple choice questions regarding these acids and bases, which may be useful for the examinations, also to develop your content. Thank you. See the first question: which of the following is a natural indicator obtained from lichens? You know very well, lichens is one type of product, natural product. From this lichens, we are getting a natural indicator that is called, well. Just guess yourself, all of you. Just uh, tap the close button. Just pause the video and guess yourself. From the lichens, you know very well, lichens are the type of organisms which have the combination of algae and fungi. You know very well. From this, even this lichens belongs to a special group of plants, that is Thallophyta. You know very well regarding this lichens. From this lichens, we are getting a natural indicator that is called a litmus. What is that? Litmus is the natural indicator. Litmus is a natural indicator which is obtained from lichens. So the first question answer is like litmus. You know very well, litmus papers are actually two types of litmus papers are available in the market. You know well, red litmus and blue litmus. You can go for further experiments also regarding this. And go for the second question: what color change occurs when blue litmus paper is dipped in lemon juice? See the first one, blue litmus paper is dipped in lemon juice. Find out the nature of lemon juice, whether it is acidic or basic or neutral. Just guess yourself. You know, well, these lemon juice is in acidic nature. You know very well. In acidic solution, what is the color of blue litmus paper? Yes, it turns into red color. It turns into red color. See, it turns into red color. Yes, very good. Go for third question. See, which acid is present in vinegar? Vinegar, already we have discussed. This is a vinegar. Vinegar is a solution which contains most of the percentage of water along with a special type of acid. You know well, a few percentage of acetic acid is present in vinegar solution, which is used as preservative. So the third one is, what is the third question answer? Vinegar solution contains acetic acid. What is the formula of acetic acid? Guess the children, what is the formula of acetic acid? It's a CH3COOH. CH3COOH. It's considered as actually weak acid, which gives, even it gives H plus ions, of course, but it is in very fewer H plus ions will be released. It takes more time because of ionization, late in ionization. Okay, so vinegar contain acetic acid. Can you guess what is the acid present in curd? Curd. Give the answer and comment in the box. Acid present in the curd. Okay, later we'll discuss. So next, go for the fourth question. When an ant bites, it injects which acid into the skin? Ant bites. Already we have discussed. Ant bites. Yes, ant bites gives formic acid. It injects formic acid, which have the formula HCOOH. Formic acid have the formula HCOOH. Just remember. Now go for the fifth question. Read the fifth question. China rose indicator. You know very well, China rose is nothing but hibiscus plant. turns a basic solution into which color? Basic solution into which color? So here, if it is acidic solution, it's a dark pink, magenta, already you know well. But it is a basic solution. So in basic solution, the China rose indicator turns this basic solution into yes, green color. It turns into green color. Now go for the next question. Which of the following chemical bases is present in lime water? See that word, that word yesterday we have discussed about this lime water. See, limestone have the formula CaCO3. Quicklime have the formula CaO. Slacked lime or lime water have the formula CaOH taken twice. It is termed as calcium hydroxide. What is the answer for this lime water? Calcium hydroxide. Yes. Go for the seventh question. Phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein remains colorless in acidic solution. Already is the physical properties of acids we have discussed earlier in our previous videos. If you didn't watch such videos, just go through my previous videos, watch it. Phenolphthalein remains colorless in acidic solution, but in basic solutions it turns into, just guess the answer, it turns into pink color. It turns into pink color. Yes. The reaction between, go for eighth question, the reaction between an acid and a base. It's a very simple reaction. Already we have discussed very strongly this topic. Yes, the reaction between acid and base is known as neutralization. What is the name of the reaction? Neutralization. You know very well, neutralization reaction is a type of exothermic chemical reaction. Why? Because here certain quantity of heat will be liberated. Let's go for the next one. See the ninth question. What are the products formed in a complete, see this word, complete neutralization reaction? So you know well the products formed during this complete neutralization reaction. Just guess these products. Yes. What is that? Salt and water. Salt and water. Of course. Next, go for the 10th question. See, which base is present in milk of magnesia? Where do we use this milk of magnesia? Guess it. The best chemical. This is a chemical used in antacid solutions. Antacid solutions which reduces the acidity in our body. You know well, commonly used to cure acidity. Already given here. This is the best example of an antacid. Milk of magnesia. Have the formula. Guess the formula. Magnesium hydroxide. What is the formula of milk of magnesia? Magnesium hydroxide. Yes, go for the 11th question. If the soil in a garden is too acidic, observe this. అంటే మీకు ఏదన్నా ఒక గార్డెన్ ఉంది, ఆ గార్డెన్లో సాయిల్ టెస్ట్ చేశారు మీరు. ఆల్రెడీ వీ హ్యావ్ ఏ సాయిల్ టెస్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్. ఆ సాయిల్ టెస్ట్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మీకు పిహెచ్ అనేది -6, -7 ఉంది. అంటే బాగా -7 అంటే ఐ మీన్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ మ్యాక్సిమం ఇట్స్ టూ ఎసిడిక్, అంటే పిహెచ్ 1 or 2 ఆ రేంజ్లో ఉంటుంది అనమాట. టూ ఎసిడిక్ అన్నప్పుడు which substance should be added to treat it? See, too acidic soil. So to neutralize this soil, we have to add a base. Add a base. So find out the base here. You know what is the base here? What is the basic nature compound among these four? See this, quicklime. What is the answer for this? Quicklime. Calcium oxide. Next, go for 12th question. Tartaric acid is naturally found in which of the following foods? Tartaric acid. In our first class basic introduction, we have discussed about the types of acids and sources of acids. See, in curd we have a lactic acid. In citrus fruits, you know well, in citrus fruits we have citric acid, oranges also like that. See, this tartaric acid is present in, is this unripe mangoes, tamarind and also grapes also we have this tartaric acid. Unripe mangoes and tamarind. Here we have to put the answer: unripe mangoes and tamarind. See the new word, you will get calamine solution. Calamine solution is applied on an ant stings to neutralize the formic acid. You know well, ant stings releases which type of acid? Formic acid, which gives pain and irritation. To neutralize this formic acid, and we have to apply calamine solution. What is the composition of calamine solution? It contains means you have to guess the composition of calamine solution. See, actually it's zinc oxide. Of course, we can give for zinc carbonate. Zinc carbonate. Calamine solution contains zinc carbonate. Next, go for 14th question. What happens when distilled water? See this word, distilled water. Distilled water is nothing but which is free from germs, no impurities. It is surely neutral in nature. What is this nature of this distilled water? Neutral in nature. It's a bad conductor of electricity. Is tested with red and blue litmus paper. First, it can be tested with red litmus paper, and afterwards it can be tested with blue litmus paper. What are the results? Guess this. This is a neutral solution. Neutral solution means it neither turns red or neither turns blue litmus paper into any other colors. So it does not react with any one of the colors. The answer is D. So go for 15th question. Which of the following substances will not turn? See this word, will not turn red litmus paper into blue. Basically, red litmus will be turned into blue in presence of basic solutions. Already we have discussed this. Red litmus paper can be converted into blue litmus paper in presence of basic solutions. Of course, all are basic solutions only here. Soap solution is in basic nature. Baking soda solution is in basic nature. Baking powder also in basic solution. Sodium hydroxide solution also basic solution. But what is the answer for this? What is the, there is a small difference among these four. See, soap solution, it is in aqueous form. Baking soda solution, aqueous form. Sodium hydroxide solution, aqueous form in presence of water. These solutions three, option A, option B, D, all are considered as bases. Why? Because they undergo ionization, they releases the OH minus ions, and they will be considered as bases. They turn a red litmus into blue. But here the answer is, or the question here actually will not turn. So the answer is baking powder in dry form. In dry form, it does not give ions. Of course, it is in basic, it is a base, but it does not give its ions. Means it does not exhibit its basic nature. So it does not turn red litmus into blue litmus. Red litmus, C, option C is the correct answer. Okay, now, my dear children. Okay, this is a first attempt. We have go for objective, and of course tomorrow we'll conduct one more objective test in live also. Okay, if you like this video, if it is useful to your examinations, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.